right, so we're gonna have to have your guys' help, all right? Just like this, come on. Come on. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
Great harmony.
Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. Hey! Almost heaven, West Virginia. Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. And driving down the road, I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads, yeah, take me home. Country
That was funny.
The sound. So, Dad, did you deliberately give yourself the coolest instrument to play, not to your boys? Because every bass player, that's the coolest instrument to have.
Absolutely it is. And I've got the hair to prove it, so
There you go. Listen, I'm not really that big of a fan of country music, but this made me so happy.
Oh,
and your harmonies were just perfection.
What I loved at the end is you held so long that our crew came out and was about to take you off the stage. I loved it. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was amazing. I love country music. That song is one of my favorite. You guys being a family, I mean, the voices, everything was perfect. I think America's gonna fall in love with you. I think they all fell in love with you. I fell in love with you.
Thank you so much.
I think, look, everyone's gonna like you. I mean, how can you not? I mean, look, being honest, that was obviously a very safe, nice audition. That's the riskiest thing you can do. If you make it through to the next round, I think you should sing a song which you kind of make into a country song. Going forward, we have to go beyond safe. Okay.
I'm going to start this off with your first yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Sophia,
thank you so much.
Simon.
Look, it was a good audition. I think, actually, I'm going to say yes.
Howie,
4 yeses.
well done.
Thank you so much.
The sound of Romeo, Michigan. I cannot wait to see you come back. Man, I'm so proud. You're making me proud. This is Michigan in the house. Thank you.
All I really need is a little pain.